Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from videos for free online. So if you want to clean up your videos by removing its logo or watermark attached to the videos, this is how you are going to do it online. So first, what you need to do is just open your browser and just search for watermark remover video. Click on enter. And here you'll see lots of watermark remover, online watermark remover that you can use. So for example, let's try this online video cutter. You can click on the website and tap on open file or drop the video files in here. So I'm going to just tap on this open file. Now just choose the video that you want to remove its watermark. Tap on open. Okay, so now this is the video. Now you can just select one or more areas you wish to remove from your video. So I'm going to select this watermark at the bottom, just like this. And after you mark the area, you can just tap on apply. And now the watermark will be gone from the video. And so that's how you can remove watermark from videos online for free. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thank